Hello students, welcome to my video. Today we are going to learn Standard 10th Mathematics Part 2 and its lesson number 4, Geometric Constructions. In this video, we are going to learn construction of similar triangle. To construct a triangle similar to the given triangle, satisfying the condition of given ratio of corresponding sides. The corresponding sides of similar triangles are in the same proportion and the corresponding angles of these triangles are equal. So, using this property, a triangle which is similar to the given triangle can be constructed. Okay. So, with the help of examples, we try to understand how to construct similar triangles. Okay. In this video, we will learn example 1 and example 3 in practice set 4.1. Okay. So let's start with example first.
See first example. Triangle ABC similar to triangle LMN. In triangle ABC, AB equal to 5.5 cm, BC equal to 6 cm, CA equal to 4.5 cm. Construct triangle ABC and triangle LMN such that BC upon MN equal to 5 upon 4. In this example, two similar triangles are given and we have to construct these two triangles. Here, measurement of all lengths of side of triangle ABC are given and also here ratio is given. Okay. Here measurements of triangle ABC are given, therefore easily we can construct triangle ABC. So by given information, first we have to find measurements of triangle LMN. So use given information. Triangle ABC similar to triangle LMN. Therefore their corresponding sides are proportional. In first lesson we have learned that. So by using this we have to write their corresponding sides are proportional. That means AB upon LM, AB upon LM equal to BC upon MN, BC upon MN equal to AC upon LN, AC upon LN. Here given that BC upon MN equal to
5 upon 4.
and here BC upon MN, therefore we can write is equal to 5 upon 4. Okay. Now substitute values. AB is 5.5 upon LM equal to BC is 6 MN equal to, and AC means C, that is 4.5 cm upon LN equal to 5.4. This is expression 1. Now from expression 1 we have to find values of LM, MN and LN. So first we take these two, that is 5.5 upon LM equal to 5 by 4. Now we have to solve this. Okay. Therefore LM equal to 5.5 into 4 divided by 5. Okay, here 5.5 is divisible by 5, so we get 1.1 into 4, which is equal to 4.4. Therefore LM equal to 4.4 centimeter. Okay, now we take these two ratios. Therefore 6 upon m by n equal to 5 upon 4. Therefore mn equal to 6 into 4 divided by 5. 6 4 is 24 upon 5. After division we get 4.8. Therefore mn equal to 4.8 centimeter. Okay, now we have to find length of ln by using these two terms. Therefore write 4.5 upon ln equal to 5 upon 4. Therefore ln equal to 4.5 into 4 divided by 5, which is equal to 0.9 into 4 equal to 3.6. Therefore ln equal to 3.6 centimeter. Here we get length of ln, length of lm and length of mn. Therefore now we can easily construct triangle LMN also. So see here how to construct. This construction you have already learned in previous standard. First we construct triangle ABC, then we construct triangle LMN. Length of BC is 6 centimeter. So 6 centimeter BC. Okay, 6 centimeter. Then length of AB is 5.5 centimeter. So take compass, take distance 5.5 centimeter. Okay, see here 5.5 and keep pointer on point B and cut an arc in this way. Okay, then length of CA is 4.5 centimeter. Therefore take 4.5 centimeter in compass. Okay, this is 4.5 centimeter. This is 4.5. Therefore from point C cut an arc. This intersection point is A. Now join A and B. A and B and A and C. Okay. Length of AB is AC is 4.5 centimeter. Okay. Similar way we can construct triangle LMN. MN is for 4.8 centimeter. So draw MN 4.8 centimeter. 4.8 centimeter. 4.8. This is MN. Okay, MN is 4.8 centimeter. Now LM is 4.4 centimeter. So take a compass. Take distance. LM is 4.4 centimeter. So take 4.4 centimeter. centimeter. Okay. Then keep pointer on point M and cut an arc in this way. Now length of LN is 3.6 centimeter. So now we take distance 3.6 centimeter. This is 3.6 centimeter. Okay. So now cut an arc from point N. This point of intersection is L. Now join L and M. Okay, and L and N. Length of LM equal to what? 4.4 centimeter, and length of LN 3.6 centimeter. In this way we can construct similar triangles. Okay. See third example. Triangle RST similar to triangle XYZ. In triangle RST, RS equal to 4.5 centimeter. Angle RST equal to 40 degree. ST equal to 5.7 centimeter. Construct triangle RST and triangle XYZ such that RS upon XY equal to 3 upon 5. In this example, two similar triangles are given and measurement of one triangle is given, and we have to construct these two triangles. Here ratio also given. Ratio is what? RS is to XY equal to 3 is to 5. RS correspond to 3 and XY correspond to 5. Therefore XYZ is bigger triangle. Okay. For triangle RST, the length of two sides and angle included by them are known. So we can easily construct triangle RST. By using given information, we have to find length of sides of this triangle. Okay. Triangle RST similar to triangle XYZ. Therefore their corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore we can write RS upon XY equal to ST upon YZ. And given that RS upon XY is 3 upon 5 is equal to 3 upon 5. Substitute the value of RS and ST. Length of RS is 4.5 upon XY. ST is 5.7 upon YZ equal to 3 upon 5. Now we take these two terms. Okay. Therefore 4.5 upon XY equal to 3 upon 5. Therefore XY is 4.5 into 5 upon 3 is equal to 1.5 into 5, which is equal to 7.5. Therefore xy is 7.5 centimeter. Now take these two terms. Now 5.7 on yz equal to 3 on 5. Now simplify this. Therefore yz equal to 5.7 into 5 upon 3 equal to 1.9 into 5 is equal to 9.5. Therefore yz equal to 9.5 centimeter. Now angle RST equal to angle XYZ, because corresponding angles of similar triangles are congruent. Therefore angle RST equal to angle XYZ, which is equal to 40 degree. Here length of two sides and angle included by them is known. Therefore we can easily construct triangle XYZ. So now construct these two triangles. First we construct triangle RST. ST is 5.7 centimeter. ST 5.7 centimeter. Then angle RST is 40 degree. So angle RST is 40 degree. Then RS is what? 4.5 centimeter. So take distance 4.5 centimeter. Now cut an arc from point S. This is point R. Now join 4.5 centimeter. Similar way we can construct triangle XYZ. Okay, length of YZ is 9.5 centimeter. 9.5 YZ. YZ, length of YZ is 9.5 centimeter. Then construct angle XYZ of measure 40 degree. Now XY is 7.5 centimeter. So take 7.5 centimeter. (7.5 centimeter). Now cut arc from point y in this way. This point is x. xy is 7.5 centimeter. In this way, we solve example 3. Okay.
I hope you understand how to solve question number 1 and question number 3 in practice set 4.1. Thank you.